Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the Honda, please help me subscribe to the channel and click that bell notification so every time I have new videos you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2007 Honda Accord 3.0 liter. So right now the check engine light is for the air fuel ratio sensor. So right now you can see the code is P0134 P2251. That's also the same code. It links to the O2. You can see it says bank 1 sensor 1. The firing order for Honda is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is the front of the vehicle, bank 1, bank 2. Now you can see this is the front of the vehicle. So the firing order is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So bank 1 on the code, bank 1 sensor 1, which is by the firewall, and you can see the O2 sensor is right here where I'm flashing it. That's the sensor 1. Sensor 2 is after the cat, which is down there. I already took it out. Or the connector is located right here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to press on this tab, pull on the connector, there you go. And then use the O2 tool to break out the O2 sensor, and I already took it out. It's right there. So, and I bought another O2 air fuel ratio sensor right here. This is the part number. There's the O2. When you guys put it back, make sure you check the connector right here. Make sure there's no corrosion on the pin inside, there's no damage. Check the wire, make sure there's no broken wires right here. New O2. Some of them is going to be a different design, depends on what brand you buy. But this is the same one I bought, and it has anti-seize on the thread, so that way it doesn't get stuck. And make sure the connector is the same. So the connector is the same, you can put it back. Now here's the tool I use to take out the O2 sensor right here with the extension. You can see I reconnect my connector already and tighten down my oxygen sensor right there. So I'm going to show you the code again before I erased it. I have the key on right now, it's reading it, so that's the code. Also linked to the same O2. So this one's pretty easy. The O2 is easy to get to and take out and put it back. So now I'm just gonna clear it. I don't have my big scanner right now. Erase code. There you go. Turn it off. Turn it back on. So that's it for this video, guys. Just a air fuel ratio sensor O2 changing out. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe, comment down below, ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.